Hi guys, welcome back to the Daily Forex. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys a scalping strategy that I use to make over $10 in a 1 minute time frame in less than 1 minute. Okay, and I'm going to explain how the indicators I use work and how to avoid spikes when trading on the Crash 500 index market. Okay, so what I did on this trade is that I opened into many positions so that I will be able to make the profits as quick as I could. As you can see right here, I opened into many positions, and right now I was able to earn over $10, as you can see. Okay, so guys, I'm going to show you the settings of the indicators. I'm going to share with you the strategy on how I use these indicators to trade, and I was able to make $10 in less than 1 minute. Okay, and this actually works very well. I'm going to show you how you can avoid spikes also using the same strategy. Okay, all right, so let me share with you guys the settings for this indicator. So I used 3 indicators: the bollinger bands, the relative strength index, and also the MACD. Okay, so on the bollinger bands, I use on period 16, while shift 0 and the deviation is 1.986 while applying to close. Then for the style, I use 1 pixel, and the color I choose on the green right here. Then that's just the settings, and I click on done. So on the relative strength index, period on the 14, then I applied to close, while the levels on 8, 9 and 10. Okay, the style right here on 1 pixel, while the color is on black. Okay, so while here the style is on 2 pixel and the color is on blue, right? Then after that I click on done. Okay, then while on the MACD, I use 12, 26 and 9 on the MACD SMA, EMA, and also the fast EMA, right? Just as you can see right here. Then I apply to close. Then I use on the main right here below the style, the color is going to be on black, while the style should be on 2 pixel, while the signal right here is on 1 pixel. The color is on white, just as you can see on my screen, while the pixel, the line is going to be this one or the first one, same as the main, right? Then you click on done. Okay, so guys, I was able to make about $15 with this strategy in less than 5 minutes using this scalping strategy. Okay, so what I did is that I opened into many positions, right? Then I use the MACD, okay, to determine when the market is an uptrend, and also when it's in a downtrend, right? And also the bollinger bands as well. Okay, so this is how I was able to detect if the market is going to spike. Okay, now you see this bollinger bands line. Okay, as you can see right here, let me zoom in real quick so that you can see what I'm talking about. This line right here, the bollinger bands, if you see this top one right here, if you see this curve line, is the line curves up right here, just as you can see as the second one and also as the third. Okay, so if these 3 bollinger bands line are curved up just like this, this arrow, as you can see, if their direction is in this arrow position, meaning the market is in a bullish power. Okay, that means that the market is going to continue to buy. All right, but what you have to do is to go to a higher time frame, like the 15-minute time frame. Do not go to the 30-minute time frame or the 1 hour time frame. It's not going to give you a good position. Okay, so you go to either the 15-minute time frames or the 5-minute time frame. Okay, you remember we're trading on a 5-minute time frame, right? To here, just as you can see right here, you see these are the line I was talking about. These 3 lines are facing up, which means they are facing a buy position. Okay, but if you go to the 15-minute time frame right here, you can see that this line, okay, the bollinger band is currently facing down. You can see this one, the third one right here, is facing down, while the second one as well, but you can see this top one is facing straight. Okay, so what I mean by this is that the market is still going to spike at this point. Okay, at any given point from this, it's going to spike. Okay, because these 3 lines are not equal, facing the same direction. If you can see, this second one right here are facing down, while this one is just facing straight. So if 3 of them are facing up right here, are facing towards this direction, in the 15-minute time frame, the market is going to continue to buy. Okay, so that's the way you can avoid spike. So if you want to know that spike is going to occur any sooner, so that you avoid the spike and you won't let it catch you or break into your market, what you're going to do is to check if these three lines of the bollinger bands right here are facing down in a downward trend. Okay, if the three lines are facing down on the 1 minute time frame, we're not going to see it right here. On the 1 minute time frame, is going to continue looking up, right? So a lot of you guys, or may I say some of you guys, might say don't use indicators while trading, okay, because it's not going to give you an accurate trading strategy. Okay, but you can see guys, these indicators actually help us, which are the traders, to know if a trade is going well in our position, or it also helps us to predict how the market is going to be. All right, it's going to help us predict that as well. Okay, so as you can see at this point right here, the three lines are facing up. So what I did when the MACD was in an uptrend, okay, right here you can see that the MACD is actually in a downtrend. So in a downtrend, guys, it's always going to spike. When the MACD is in a downtrend, it's going to spike always. You can see at this point when it starts creating a downtrend, you can see from here, let me put a line so that you can see what I'm talking about. Okay guys, you can see from this point right here to this point, this arrow marking, there was a spike, a lot of spike, because the trend started here. From here it starts creating the downtrend on the MACD. You can see there's a lot of spike. So at this point, you don't want to enter during this point. Okay, when the MACD is on a downtrend, you don't want to enter into the market at this point. Only when the MACD is in an uptrend. Okay, when the MACD is in an uptrend, that's when you want to enter into the market. That is the entry point for you. Okay, that's the entry point. Okay, as you can see, like I said, this three line are facing up. Okay, then if you want to know if the spike is going to happen very soon, now you go to the higher time frame, like the 15-minute time frame. That's when you can check. So when the bollinger bands, the three lines are facing down, meaning a spike is going to occur real quick. So it's going to give you a signal. So that's the signal which you should actually exit in the market or place a sell. Okay, so when you see that when the three bollinger bands line are facing down, okay, the MACD is going to be in an uptrend. It's going to be in an uptrend, and at this level of 89, okay, it's going to hit this level, and the spike is going to occur very soon. Okay, so guys, that's how I was able to make about $15 from the market in less than 5 minutes, guys. And I was using the strategy to scalp. Okay, so what I did is that I scalped into the market, taking 5 candles each from that point. Okay, remember I took 5 candles, then I closed the trade. I went into the trade again, opening into many positions. So whatever you want to call it, a trade is always a trade, however you choose to trade. Okay, all you need to do is find the strategy, the best strategy that works for you. Okay, I don't need to tell you the kind of strategy you need to use. Okay, so what I do right here, I show you guys the strategy that I use and the strategy that works for me. Okay, you can go into your M25 on your demo account, you can practice the same strategy and see how it's going to work for you guys as well. Okay, so guys, this will be the end of this video. I just want to make this video real quick and share with you guys, if you want to make some profit real quick right there on the market, all you got to do is study the strategy, check the MACD as well as the bollinger bands. Once you want to do to avoid spikes, go to the higher time frame, such as the 15 minutes higher time frame. You check the three lines. If they are facing down, you exit the market because a spike is going to occur. Okay, so if the three lines are showing on the 15 minutes time frame or the 5-minute time frame that are facing downwards, the 1 minute time frame is not going to show that they are facing downwards. Okay, it's going to show you that the market is in an uptrend. That's when the spike is going to occur. That's when the spike is going to happen without giving you any signal. Okay, that's why you guys find it that even when the MACD touches this line of about level 90 in the 1 minute time frame, you wonder why a spike occur. Is because of the higher time frames. Okay, on the higher time frames, it has not reached that level, but on the 1 minute time frame, it's showing you that it has reached that level. Okay, so always go to the higher time frame and confirm very well before placing a trade or placing an entry or exit position. Okay, so if you find value in this video and you really like this video, do it to like and subscribe to the Daily Forex channel on YouTube so that you can see more awesome strategy on educational content about Forex trading. Okay, I will see you guys on the next video.